Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ramzan Techs. In this video I am going to share a PDF with all you guys that consists of both HTML and CSS. If you are a web development beginner and you want to learn web development, so you must learn these languages first, HTML and CSS. This PDF consists of both full course of HTML and CSS, and moreover it also describes that how HTML describes the structure of pages and how the page structure looks like, what is start tag, what is closing tag. Everything is described in this PDF, like attributes, how attributes tell us more about elements, how we can write attributes of elements. The big benefit of this that in this PDF it consists of HTML5, and it also compares the HTML5 with previous version. So sometime when you see the previous websites, you can see the code of previous website, so that you can understand what they are wrote in the previous websites. So in this PDF it consists of full course of HTML, like you can see that if we see chapters. Moreover, it also consists the comparison between different video formats and audio formats, that how can you format your video, and also it consists of CSS, different tags, how different tags works. Moreover, there is an index at the end of this PDF, like index. Let's come in index. All the terms are described in the index. You can, if you want to search any term, like this is HTML attributes, HTML elements, like every element there is a written a page number. If you want to learn any element, you simply go to that page number and learn that element. And similar HTML attributes, CSS properties, pseudocodes, elements and rules, means you can learn everything about HTML and CSS, troubleshooting, sorting out. This is the index. Moreover, there is one chapter about the practical, that how third-party tools, what are third-party tools, domain names and hosting, visitors, how to learn about your visitors, that who has visited your website when you upload it on a Google. Means it's a full PDF and it's very easy. You can easily learn this PDF. I hope you will like this PDF. If you like this PDF, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload more videos about this, you can get notification. And this PDF link in the description. You can download this also PDF. You can also download this PDF from the link, and the PDF is password locked. So the password of the PDF is this. Let's learn. This is the password of the PDF. You can open the PDF by this password. Thank you.